हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश लैब कॉर्नर। अगर आप फ्लुएंसी के साथ इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं तो आपको चाहिए कि आप एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस यूज़ करें रेदर देन बेसिक इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस, बिकॉज बेसिक इंग्लिश इज़ लेस इंटरेस्टिंग एंड बोरिंग। आज मैं आप लोगों को सिखाऊंगी 25 इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस जो कि डेली यूज़ भी होते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेसन। आप कैसे हैं? In basic English we say, how are you? And in advanced English we say, how is everything going? क्या तुम पागल हो? In basic English we say, are you mad? But in advanced English we say, are you out of sorts? मैं बहुत मसरूफ हूँ. In basic English we say, I am very busy. But in advanced English we say, I am preoccupied. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. In basic English we say, leave me alone. But in advanced English we say, can you step back for a while? शोर मत मचाओ. In basic English we say, don't make a noise. But in advanced English we say, please minimize the noise. मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. In basic English we say, I am eating food. But in advanced English we say, I am enjoying a repast. मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ. In basic English we say, I am going outside. But in advanced English we say, I am stepping out. मुझे भूख लगी है. In basic English we say, I am very hungry. But in advanced English we say, my stomach is growling. मैं उससे मिलना चाहता हूँ. In basic English we say, I want to meet him. But in advanced English we say, I want to touch base with him. ये पढ़ने का वक्त है. In basic English we say, it's time to study. But in advanced English we say, it's time to tackle my coursework. बाहर बहुत गर्मी है. In basic English we say, it's very hot outside. But in advanced English we can say, the weather is blazing hot. तुम बहुत खुशकिस्मत हो. In basic English we say, you are so lucky. But in advanced English we can say, you are showered with luck. मैं जा रहा हूँ. In basic English we say, I am leaving. But in advanced English we say, I am departing. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. In basic English we say, don't make me angry. But in advanced English we can say, don't push my buttons. मुझ पर मत चिल्लाओ. In basic English we say, don't yell at me. But in advanced English we can say, don't holler at me. आपको क्या परेशान कर रहा है? In basic English we say, what is troubling you? But in advanced English we can say, what is making you anxious? अपने जूते उतार दो. In basic English we say, take off your shoes. But in advanced English we can say, unfasten your shoes. मोमबत्ती बुझा दो. In basic English we say, blow out the candle. But in advanced English we can say, smoother the candle. दूध खट्टा हो गया. In basic English we say, the milk turned sour. But in advanced English we can say, the milk became rancid. उसने मेरी जिंदगी बर्बाद कर दी. In basic English we say, she ruined my life. But in advanced English we can say, she messed up my life. वो बहुत खुश था. In basic English we say, he was very happy. But in advanced English we can say, he was on cloud 9. मेरा दिमाग चकरा रहा है. In basic English we say, my mind is reeling. But in advanced English we can say, I am feeling disoriented. मैं छींक नहीं रोक सकता. In basic English we say, I can't stop sneezing. But in advanced English we say, I am having a sneezing fit. इतने पुरजोश ना हो. In basic English we say, don't be so excited. But in advanced English we can say, stay composed. उसे गाली मत दो. In basic English we say, don't abuse him. But in advanced English we can say, don't oppress him. अगर मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मेरी वीडियो को कर दे लाइक, और ऐसे ही मज़ीद लेसन्स अगर आप सीखना चाहते हैं तो मेरे चैनल को कर दे सब्सक्राइब. नाउ विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय.